Good morning. It's Friday morning. It's 7:24. I need to be out the door in 2 minutes. I don't know where my vlogging camera is. I'm hungry. I don't even know what the temperature is supposed to be outside today, but I have on this sweatshirt. I am officially losing it, but welcome to today's vlog. I'm so disappointed in myself. My navigation says I'm going to be 13 minutes late to my appointment. I hate that. Like, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm already late. Makes me a little flustered. The Virgo in me, oh, we're just doing U-turns at a red. Okay. Yeah, I'm struggling. I don't even think I didn't even wash my face properly today. Just give me strength. I know this ride is about to be stressful, but it's Friday. Vlogtober got me tired, y'all. That's all I can say right now. Vlogtober got me tired, but it's Friday. I'm trying to get my life together. We still in it. Today's the 10th. We're a third of the way through it. So, I got this. All right, y'all. I was only 7 minutes late. It is 9:50. Whew, I was there almost 2 hours. It didn't even feel like it. Oh, my battery's about to die. I think we're gonna run into the mall because if you saw my try-on haul, I just need like basic t-shirts. So I want to go in Cotton On and maybe Primark, see what they got. It's so crazy being in the mall this early. And it's also a little PTSD because I worked here for so many years. Man, what a time. An era. And I got my eyebrows done. They look good. Forever such a very long time. We never even had a fight. God knew not to bless me with a real voice, I tell you. I had to get me a little nourishment. I haven't eaten today, so I got these little Belvita cinnamon brown sugar cookies. Because listen, I'm tired of walking around ball fingered. So I just pulled up to this new nail salon. Wish me luck. I had to come home. The nail salon was a little busy, so I have to go back at 1:30. So I just came home. I went to the grocery store instead. I just finished putting my groceries up. Dr. Wendy Asefo got arrested for fraud charges. Her and Eddie. Oh, hold on. And so I'm here to get into the details right now. That's what I'm doing. But really quick, because I just paused that. I only got like 3 items at Primark, and really it's just stuff to wear in the house while I'm working. Little sweats and stuff. Nothing major. I spent $30. So these were literally like 10 bucks a piece. I thought these little sweatpants were cute. Just at the ankle. They just say New Hampton Athletics. I got them in an extra small. Those would be great to lounge in. Then I got my sweatshirts in 2XS because even though I like oversized, I like for them to fit just a bit. So just plain, I don't know, seafoam green. I don't know what color it is, but this is good just to wear in the house. And I also got this one that just says West Village, Manhattan. Same deal. That was my first time going in Primark. We went to the one in Chicago when I went last year, but it was very, it was chill. I would go in there and get some more sweat stuff. But yeah, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. So I'm about to just relax for a little bit. I was gonna treat myself to some Olive Garden. Y'all remember how I used to do that every Friday? But I'm gonna warm up some leftovers because I'm trying to do better. And I'm having a day out tomorrow, so we'll spend all the money tomorrow. But I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit until my nail appointment. I need to clean up, actually. We'll see. I just need to decompress. Oh yes, terrible. Hi. Yes, ma'am. I apologize if you can hear my air fryer. I'm just heating up some chicken nuggets so that I have something on my stomach. I just got off live with y'all because it's Friday night and I'm on my second glass of wine, so I decided I needed something on my stomach. But I ended up going, I went to Target, y'all. Don't judge me. I did because y'all know I'm trying to get into my matcha lifestyle. Do y'all see this? I went in Publix looking for it. I looked in Food Line, and so finally I had to break down and just go to Target. This was the only thing that I got from Target today. Because I want to try it in my matcha. But I also need another kind of matcha. These are the nails. I think they're really cute. You know, real simple. But I needed them. I just feel so much better having a little something on my hands. What else did I do? I got my Amazon Prime deals. Let me tell y'all what I ordered during Prime Day. I ordered bras, okay? I got bras for half off, okay? Like, it wasn't... I also re-upped on my 𝐿'Occitane body oil wash and like my facial towels. But other than that, your girl got bras because I needed them. And what else did I get? Oh, and my Miche gel finally came. So that's it. I took the longest nap. It felt so good, but I'm still so tired. I don't know what's going on. But that is all for... Oh no! It's just me. That is all for today's vlog. I need to edit this video so it can go up tomorrow. And I also need to get ready for tomorrow. And so I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I'm gonna wax my beard. I wanted to do that today, but just understand that I got eyebrows, nails, beard handled.